Hello. Oh, done it again. How is it going? Well, today we've come down to Walton on Thames and we're going to photograph, hopefully, some of the river, and we're going to walk down towards the lock. I've just had a nice coffee and a strawberry sundae in the pub. The only thing is, as I drove here, the sun was shining, lots of blue sky, and now cloudy and a possible chance of rain. But who cares? Let's see if we can find some subjects to take some photos off and enjoy a walk by the River Thames at Walton on Thames. Okay, so let's go and explore. It has come over very dull. I hope it doesn't rain. Oh, look at that boat. Isn't that lovely? Wow, that's really nice. I like it down here at Walton. I haven't been here for a long time, but there's a nice little lock house up here, and this is a narrow part of the river, but there's always photographs, there's different subjects to take, especially boats. You get a lot of boats come through this time of year. That's very quiet, you can hardly hear it. Lovely. Trees are in their summer colours, so they're just slightly beginning to turn brown. There's a few leaves beginning to turn now. So this is just a little footpath that takes to the bridge. So when we get to the bridge, we'll have a look from there. But I'm hoping, all being well, that we can cross over the other side and then go up towards the weir, which is just down there opposite the pub. So we're going to go over there and then turn left, all being well. So after that passing shower of rain, here we go again. So this is Sunbury Lock. Sun's come back out again. It's only a quick shower, but it was a very heavy shower. So as I said before, this is the River Thames, but we'll go back in a minute over the bridge and see if we can get over towards the weir. I just thought I'd show you Sunbury Lock here. So this is where the boats come through. So these boats have come through from the right hand side. So the gate's closed. The lock keeper's just going to close the gate, so this is another boat coming in. So this water goes up and down all the time and controls the level of the river. There's a boat coming in now. So what will happen is this boat will come in, and then where the gates are, just where that man's standing, there's a set of gates there. And when the boat comes in, those gates will close, and then the water level here will drop down to the same level as the river. So the boat will go down and then out through those gates. Let's go and see if we can get to the weir now. So you can see now that the lock gates are closing now. That's it, they're closed. And then he will go down to the other end and open up the gates down there. Right, let's go over the bridge, see if we can get to the weir, see if we can get some photos. I'll have to keep me on this weather, but I think the sun's going to come out again. Hello. They do look nice against the darkness of the water and the sky. The white of the swans really, they really stand out, aren't they? Especially this one here. The lovely birds. Yeah, hello. Oh, they're making their way up towards the weir now. Seagull flying. Willow tree over the far side there. Oh. Definitely gonna rain. Oh, a bit of lightning. That'd be nice in the shot. Bit of lightning. Thunder. Wow. That's dramatic. Oh, fantastic. Bring it on. Seagulls flying over. Nice dramatic end to the afternoon by the river. Well, it's pouring down with rain. There's thunder and lightning, so there's no chance of getting any photographs today. This was a bit of a failure, but the swans were nice. But it's definitely time to get home. Problem is, with all the rain we're having, there's so much water on the roads that you get flash floods. So I think I better get home and call it a day. But I hope you enjoyed that little roam around the river. Next time hopefully we'll be more successful and we'll go somewhere else. So all the best. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Clive Eris. I'm a photographer, vlogger and creator, and I help photographers with some tips and little ideas to get them going with their camera. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Oh, listen to that rain. Bye bye.